What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Dudes Love Lulu. My name is Tony, and today's episode is one I'm super excited about, and the reason is I didn't think these pants were going to ever go on sale. Today I'm going to try on a pair of the Commission Pant Slim 32 length, 34 waist in this like khaki style brown color. So first off, just so you guys know, I do work for Lululemon's head office in Vancouver. The Commission Slim is my number one, where it fits my waist, fits my legs, fits my calves, everything perfect. Enough talking, let's just go try them on. Okay, so here are the Commission Slim 32 length 34 waist pant. Like I said, you can see these fit me literally perfect in every way. Perfect fit, perfect taper. They're exactly what I like in pant. Pockets you do have on the side. Now on the back you do have your pockets here as well. Two pockets on the front. No side zipper pockets like you get with some of the joggers. But like unlike joggers, you do have your belt loops in the front to add a belt as well. Incredibly comfortable pant. Great for almost literally any situation. You can pull these off. I love them.